Alright, so the biggest car show in our local area is tomorrow, from the time I'm shooting this video. It's like the 42nd or 43rd annual event, so it's been going on for a really long time, and it's a really big deal, like here locally. People come from all out of state, hundreds of miles around just to attend this car show. So we're gonna go, and that means we've got to get the Corvette out, cleaned up. I know it doesn't look like it from here, but this thing is like super dirty. It has not been washed in quite a long time. We're coming over here to the box of all my car cleaning stuff because I just moved it all. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, steel wool, that. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is clean up the side pipes. That way we can kind of work our way from the bottom up top. So we're going to polish those up first. Alright, so we finished up the side pipes. You can see they're pretty shiny. They're still not as shiny as they will be. I still got to go back over and wash it and get all that stuff off, but that's a start. All right, now we can get to the real cleaning. Alright, so we got the majority of the car washed. The water kind of died out there on me on the end, but we got it pretty much washed. The back end didn't get perfectly clean, but it'll be backed in at the show anyway. Got it dried, the worst part of cleaning a car, in my opinion. And only one little casualty. I kind of got my nail there, but it'll be alright, I'll live. Alright, so I'm going to bring the car back over in the shed over here, and pretty much all we'll have left to do is just some minor detail things. I'm going to put some tire shine on, clean some of the chrome on there, but other than that, it's pretty much done. There is one more thing I want to do before I put the car up today. So I got this cool vanity plate. It says Stingray on it. It's not a real license plate, obviously. It's not raised or anything. But I actually ordered this because it's like the style of the 76 Alabama plates. So I'm going to put this on the car just to take to the car show. Obviously, I'm not going to drive around and use it as a tag or anything, but just to take it to the car show, I think it'll look like pretty cool on there. Okay, I actually don't know if I like it as much as I thought I did. I mean, it's kind of cool, but I don't know. I think I might put my regular tag back on there. All right, good morning. It is currently the next morning, show day. So it's a little bit early for me, but I'll survive. So we're gonna get up, we're gonna go get the Corvette out, drive up to where the car show's taking place. And then once I get there, I'll probably wait a little bit to start filming, wait for some cars to get there. Usually everybody shows up about an hour or so after it starts. So then I'll get the camera out and kind of show you guys what's going on and what other kind of cars are there. This thing is crazy. I know, the twin turbo is what? It's a little rough shape, but that engine is.
Let's look.
Yeah, you see what I was talking about with the dash? Yeah, I really like that dash. I mean, it's got the glass T-tops too, the see-through ones.
I don't like the pads.
Really? I like them on the Corvette.
Yeah.
The wheels are nice. Wow. This is probably my favorite car here. Like if I could take any car home, it'd be this one. 454. Houndstooth. This thing's like mint too.
I wish there was a winner, car number 64. Car number 64 comes
nice. Good turnout today. The 5.0.
I've seen this one.
Yeah. I don't remember where.
I think it might have been at
Was it at Elba?
last year's Pine Woods. It might have been at Elba.
Dang. Driving gloves. It's kind of impressive that he fit a 5.0 in there.
Yeah.
And the wheels, side pipes. Run the little bike in the back.
Yep.
Look at this. Look at the tires on that thing. Yeah, that's like a dually. That is sharp.
It's like
Not a lot of room in
so
there.
modern, like on the top. It's like
Yeah.
early 2000s stuff.
I do want to film the new 392. It doesn't look as crazy in there as I thought it was going to look. The dealership brought this one out. It smells good.
Is it automatic?
Yeah. Yeah. I do like the wheels though. And the matte black wrap. All the electric cars. The Rivian. The Rivian's cool. Yep. It's got all the screens. Screens are super nice. And this has got the compartment on the side where it goes, it goes all the way through. Just the facts on it. Spare tire, full size spare in the back. Chainsaw. Oh, it's electric, so you can plug in all the outlets.
If I did get a return the racer truck, give me this.
Oh, 100%. This is the one that has like the grill attachment on there. You can like put a grill on it, isn't it? That's awesome. Oh yeah, that's so cool. The full ice chest.
On this one.
And there's your charging port.
Yep.
Ah,
And then for fast charging.
that's pretty cool. The Rivian and the Lightning.
Yeah, this one's legit, man. 350 mile range.
That's
0 to
awesome.
100 in under 4 seconds.
That's
It does have obviously the matte cover on it.
Yep.
The carbon fiber
spoiler.
Aftermarket super stickies.
I say I love those wheels. Yeah, this is. I didn't realize it was a plaid until you told me earlier.
He was messing with it. He put it on the summit mode and he made it walk up by his film back in. Come here.
Driving all by itself. Look at that. That's so cool.
That's sick.
That's really cool.
He's driving. Look, make sure you get nobody
Look at that.
driving.
Nobody inside. It sounds cool, even though it doesn't have an exhaust. Like it makes the cool noise with the motors. Yeah. Yeah. The old classics. I've never really been a huge fan of these kind of cars, but they're cool. They're nice. I do love the body style of these cars. Oh, and the matching interior. Look at that. Golly. Yeah, it's nice. It's got 4 seats, plenty of room.
Yeah.
And plenty of trunk space. It is my next family vehicle. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he definitely races this one.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh, he's got the roll. He's got the braces in the back. Golly. He's got the side pipes.
Oh, he's got the.
Is it a 428? I didn't realize it had that big of an engine in it. Tiny. Which one? Oh yeah. The V8.
I don't know if it's from cars.
Little. That is pretty cool. I love the color on this. Like this is probably one of my favorite colors on an old vehicle. And it's got all the details on the inside.
Yeah. I like the trim. Man. I love these. I think I like these better than the 70s.
I think I like these. I just like the big front end over having like the chrome. Sharp interior too. And it's a manual. Wheels. I like, this is the color I would get, the gray with the black stripes.
I do it, yeah, I do it.
That's awesome.
It's a 21 Jump Street car.
Yep. The Barney Fife car. From Andy Griffith. It's got all the accessories in there. It's a uniform. It's awesome. And it's T-Bass. Yeah.
I saw him driving earlier.
He brought this out to like Headland or somewhere one time we were at. Look at that. Pretty cool. This is a car I wanted to really check out. This is my man.
In the first movie?
Yeah.
We had the new paint.
Yep. Yep. Similar paint style. Yeah, this thing is like.
There's a roof on it too, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a convertible. You can lift it up. This thing's like pristine too. Resto mine. Golly. Trans Am. This is pretty cool here too.
Free swing and transfer.
The Econo line. Pretty sharp. Still not my thing, but it's nice. Yeah, I'd rather just have it original, but you don't see a lot of step sides anymore. Most of these are. Oh, that interior is nice. The bed. Yeah, this thing's definitely fixed up to a T.
Yeah. Even underneath it.
Yeah. If I was gonna buy a bike, it'd be an Indian.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. Like.
With the scoops on the thing.
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome. I like the that's more like a saddle seat. Yeah. This one's for sale. Malibu. This is that one we said sounded really good when it came in.
Yeah.
I like the paint color on this one too. It's like a teal. And the C10. It's a 70. Okay, so they must have kept that front style on the 70.
I don't really like the C10s. I mean,
I don't either.
They're cool, but I like them.
But it is LS swap, so that's cool. This is really cool.
It is.
I don't think I've ever seen one of these, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't think. Definitely not.
Yeah, I've never seen one of these, but it's cool. It's in good, really good condition too.
Really?
I don't even know how much that paint cost.
Nowhere you can find. No videos, no nothing.
The ramp truck, the Corvette ramp truck.
But this is nice driving down the road because like I got a quiet muffler on.
Little engine in the back there. And the owner's nice, so that's a plus.
That's cool.
It's pretty cool. Who would ever drive something like this? Who would drive this car? Could it be me? All right, so we made it back from the show. It was good tonight. There was a lot of cool cars there. I'd say probably the highlights had to be either the Eleanor Mustang. That one was really cool. The 454 Camaro I really liked, and that Shelby, the Cobra. That one was really nice with the 5.0. But I did get quite the bit burnt. It was really hot out there. I feel kind of gross and nasty and sweaty, but fun time. Always a good time when you go to a car show. You get to meet a lot of cool people, hang out, talk old cars, and you know, that's just what I really enjoy doing. So I think that's going to do it for this one. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're seeing this online, I hope you enjoyed. Got to see some cool stuff too. So I don't really know what's next, but I guess we'll just see how it goes.